Everything's ours. More tacos. Beautiful spread. Cute. You guys can always remember Tulum, okay?
Everyone's just chilling on the bed here, watching Paw Patrol. Woo!
So we just did room service because we haven't had a proper lunch yet. It smells really good.
We're heading off now to drop off our clothing at a laundry service that Gloria found online last night. And then we're gonna go and have some brekkie together. We made it to our restaurant, Botanica Garden Cafe. Looking good. Good morning, hello. Yoo-hoo. Hi.
It's so cute. Roast beef, salmon, wow, this is such a beautiful spread. Wow. There's Levi admiring the musician. Levi has fallen in love with Ursula, huh? Botanica Garden is right there. It's like in such an inconspicuous place. It's delicious. So we're cruising around Tulum. We had to get some cash, but a couple of the ATMs we tried were all out, and then HSBC came through.
Stop farting!
Now we're gonna run a second errand to the grocery store. Heading into Super Aki. So the grocery store's policy is no kids allowed inside, which is so interesting. We've never seen that before. So Tim went in on his own, and me and the kids found a shady spot outside where we can wait. Here's Levi. Hi, Levi. Hi. Hi. We're just waiting for Tim in this shady spot. Pretty cool ride here in the parking lot. This is super common in Tulum. Lots of ATVs and bikes. So that's weird. I do see kids going inside the grocery store with their families. I don't know if it's like no foreign kids.
I'm needing my ID to take
Nice
the trolley
car.
out.
Oh really? So that wasn't the best experience. Anyway, we're gonna cool down now by getting some ice cream. We spotted Aldo's while we were cruising around looking for an ATM, so we're headed there now.
I have to tell you something.
Yeah.
When we were at the grocery store, a guard said, no babies, and then who wasn't a baby, me or Sky? But then I was like, oh no, why did he call us babies?
Exactly. Exactly. I don't see any babies in this car, right? Right?
Yeah.
You guys are all my babies.
This is it, Aldo's. So many flavors.
I like all of them.
Here you go. Okay, yours is coming. Okay, Beeps, here's yours. Yay. Cheers. Bang, bang, bang. Enjoy. Who's your new friend? So cute. And what'd you get, BB?
Baby lion.
Oh, so cute.
So
Perfect. You guys can always remember Tulum, okay? Loading up the groceries into the buggy. BB asked, is that for me? And we're like, no. It's for the groceries.
Can I have one snack?
Yes, in the hotel room. That one's ours.
Hi.
Where are we headed?
To this swimming pool.
Oh yeah.
Is that bucket have a road?
He's gonna have a run and then meet us there, okay? On our way to dinner and both kids fell asleep. So cute. Are you asleep, Levi? Hey, did you trick me? I believed you. I thought you were asleep. Dinner time. This is our dinner spot. Woohoo! Has really good reviews online. Here's our table. That's a beautiful mural.
Woo! Cocktail time.
Coconut shrimp. The kids already started with their chicken fajitas. Hi! So cute! There's swings all over Tulum. These ones are at our hotel. One last swing before bed. We're having a nice simple breakfast at our hotel. There's actually a fully stocked kitchen. So we're having toast and orange juice and some fruit. Good morning.
Bye.
Good morning.
Hey.
Can I go back?
There's Sebby the pig. Okay, today's exciting because we're doing something cultural. I think this is the first time this trip that we're doing something cultural. It's also the first time in over a week that we set an alarm and actually woke up when it went off. Every other time we're just like, oh, it's fine, and we'd sleep like another hour or two. So today we're going to the Mayan ruins in Tulum.
Yeah.
Really excited. We're trying to get there as soon as it opens at 9 o'clock because it's already very hot outside, and then we hear that later in the morning it gets super packed and there are long lines. It's only a 15-minute drive from our hotel. We have entered the Tulum National Park. So we're about 800 meters from the ruins, and there are signs there because you can't park your car beyond those signs. So one of the first 5 cars parked here. Yay! Good job getting up early this morning. Looks like everyone was thinking the same thing. It's a lot of people. Something there. Looks like they're doing a temperature check. We're gonna buy tickets now, okay? 80 pesos per adult and both kids are free. water.
Drank a lot. Most of this was the kids.
We pretty much finished that in less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's so hot out here. It's hot and humid.
Yeah. Now we're hungry too, so we're gonna go get some food, eh?
Tacos, please.
Yeah. Hi.
Guati. Oh. Okay. We are getting some mangoes.
Yummy, mummy.
So good.
So delicious, eh?
Which one do you want?
Popsicles.
That one's for you, right, Timmy?
Yeah.
We had to stop on the side of the road so everyone could have their popsicle. Hey guys.
You guys happy?
Levi got lime and Bibi got watermelon.
No, this is green.
Yeah, but the flavor is lime. How's yours, Beatrice?
This. Here's the flavor.
Watermelon. You love watermelon.
I love green.
You love anything green? What if it was booger flavor?
I wouldn't eat it.
Heading back to the car now.
Taco time! We got watermelon water, which is amazing. It's basically watermelon juice. We got hibiscus water, which is like a tea. It's so nice. And our guacamole's here. Got tacos, quesadilla tacos, more tacos. Okay, Levi's eating your eggs.
Yummy? Thoughts, Mama?
Guacamole is so good.
Oh.
We are killing it. I can't believe we ate all that food. Good job, good job. But we had to get more of these fruit waters because they're so good. We're trying cantaloupe and we got another watermelon. Come to pick up our laundry.
Keep it off.
Actually dropping off another bundle too. They actually need about another half hour to fold the rest of our laundry, so we're just gonna go eat dinner and then come back. This is where we're eating dinner tonight. Liefs.
Is this syrup?
No, it's like a juice. Cheers!
Hello.
Did you go the wrong way?
I did.
Okay, we were like, where are they?
Cheers.
Three.
That one's mine.
Oh.
Okay, so there are so many mosquitoes in Tulum, especially in the evenings when it gets cooler and the sun goes down. So a lot of the restaurants have repellent that you can use because we didn't bring any. We forgot to bring some.
Yeah.
This is a vegan restaurant. This is very different for us and for Tim. I got a Buddha bowl and Tim got a mushroom bagel, but he added bacon. But we don't know if it's real bacon.
It doesn't look like real bacon at all.
Okay, so it doesn't look like real bacon.
I'll let you know how it tastes.
Okay. So dinner was really good. We've never been to a vegan restaurant before, right? So we were a bit hesitant, but it was very flavorful and delicious. We're filling up our gas tank and then we're gonna go pick up our laundry. Then go to bed, shower and go to bed.
Hope so.
Wow, so all of this laundry, which was 2 bags, it's more than half of the clothes that we brought for our 2-week Mexico trip. It was only 90 pesos. It smells so good.
We found a gelato in our hotel.
Good, then
And
it will...
it's a baby one.
Oh.
And it has eyes and a tail.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, just let it be, okay, guys? It's gonna eat all the mosquitoes for us.
Oh, good. Here.